guys, hope y'all doing all right. Hope y'all hustling and grinding. Remember, the grind don't stop out here. But today I'm out here at the dealership that we service. Just a few things happened today. One of the biggest things, our pressure washer was acting up. So we're kind of deciding, you know, it's probably time to buy a new one. I know we already mentioned it before, but make sure you subscribe, keep watching, and we'll tell you a little bit more about what happened.
Not really sure what's going on, but the pressure washer is not working as well as it should. There's hardly any pressure in it. It's barely going. It lost about half the pressure, at least more than that. Nathan had told me a few cars earlier that something was going on, and sure enough, it's just getting worse and worse. We're gonna have to investigate to see what's going on. Maybe it's clogged up, or maybe it's just gone.
Alright, so we're testing to see what the issue is. There's two main things that we think might be the issue with our pressure washer right now. So let me show you. So the first thing I thought it would be is maybe there was maybe leaves in here or just something stopping the water flow, but I just took the adapter off and there's plenty of water flow, so it's not that. However, Nathan was actually checking the oil because it's leaking oil and it's leaking water, and I think he knows what's going on.
So, well, first I had checked the hoses to see if maybe there was something clogging the filter, or at least to the input, but this is pretty clean. And I checked the oil, and first of all, the oil was like all the way to the top, and it wasn't like that before, and it's all watery. It's like usually not that watery, so I feel like water's getting inside somehow. I don't know where, I don't know how, but it could be that the water just spraying everywhere and it's just getting into places where it shouldn't be, or it's just something wrong with the actual or the gasket somewhere. But yeah, the oil's pretty watery, probably not supposed to be like that.
Alright, so it seems to be working now. I think it was just the leaves that were getting stuck, right, Nathan?
Yeah, clogged up the tank.
But yeah, she has full power now, so we're good to go. That scared us for a bit. We thought we were gonna have to buy a new pressure washer on the spot, but we're good to go for a bit.
Yeah, she's still running good. So after messing around with the pressure washer, we believe the issue was that there was a lot of leaves in the tank, and it clogged up the hoses. We lost the lid for the tank, so there's been a lot of leaves falling in there and stuff, and so we need to just go ahead and find a lid for that. But also on top of that, a few reasons why, you know, the pressure washer might also be acting up. The oil, that when I checked it, seemed a little bit watery and it didn't seem right. On top of that, we've dropped the pressure washer a few times off the truck while we're servicing this dealership. So the pressure washer, it's had a rough life. We abused it quite a bit. Yeah, we dropped it about like 3 times probably, and then, you know, maybe a few more times that Edgar hasn't told me about. He's just keeping a secret. But anyways, no, but it's probably about time to, you know, upgrade. Just go ahead and just buy a new one, since we're servicing this dealership on a weekly basis. I don't want to be you know, left stranded with the pressure washer just breaking down on us, and us having to, you know, stop everything that we're doing, and us taking longer. You know, time is money. You know, I don't want to lose any money. Probably this weekend, go ahead, just buy a new pressure washer. Just not have to worry about the pressure washer breaking down on us.
Alright, so we've had that pressure washer for going on 3 years now, and like Nathan was saying, that we've abused it quite a bit. So it's just time to get a new one, so we're gonna do that. We were waiting till the end of the year. We're just waiting till we had a little bit more money in the bank, but it's just one of those things. We lost time today. We lost about like an hour and a half, just troubleshooting what was going on, and we can't be having that, because on top of that, we're doing it slower, so we're losing an hour and a half of our own personal time, and on top of that, we were paying someone to be here with us, so it's not like I can tell him just to clock out. I mean, he's still out here, so we're still paying him. So we're just gonna buy the new one. We already showed you the one we were looking at is the one at Tractor Supply, so I'm probably gonna get it either today or maybe in the next few days, but we're definitely gonna have a new pressure washer before next time we come to services at dealerships. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much for supporting us and watching. This is, I believe, day 16 or 17 of uploading every single day for the month of December. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We definitely appreciate when you guys watch. So stay tuned for anything else that we're doing. We're uploading every single day. And yeah, the year's almost over, but we're still out here working. We're still a lot of money to make. So if you're not working, you should be, because there's people out there who want their cars detailed. You guys be safe.